How to use auto injury claim process. Explain properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Understanding the auto injury claim process is critical, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time and money. The surprising truth is that simple errors during filing or communication can reduce or even eliminate your compensation. The first mistake is failing to report the accident promptly. Insurance companies require timely notice. Delays can be used as a reason to deny or reduce claims. Another common error is not gathering adequate evidence. Photos, witness statements, repair estimates, and medical records strengthen your case. Without them, insurers may undervalue your claim. Many people underestimate the importance of medical documentation. Every treatment, diagnosis, and therapy session should be logged. Incomplete records can make it difficult to prove the extent of your injuries. Some also make the mistake of accepting the first settlement offer. Quick offers often undervalue damages. Consult a professional or review your claim thoroughly before agreeing. Finally, relying solely on generic guides or online advice without professional guidance is risky. Complex accidents, disputed liability, or serious injuries require attorney support to maximize recovery. To properly navigate the auto injury claim process, report promptly, gather complete evidence, track all medical treatment, avoid early settlements, and seek professional advice when needed. Avoiding these mistakes protects your rights and ensures fair compensation.